Hey guys, nandito kami sa Atlas in Tacloban. We've just picked up some boxes mula kay Lola Tatah. We're gonna open them up when we get home and show Nitro kung anong nasa loob. Mga regalo para sa kanya. Salamat ulit, Lola Tatah. Oh, Nitro, look! We got a big box for you. Whoa! Yun!
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Alright, Nitro fam! Andito kami sa bahay. Andito ang mga box mula kay Lola Tatah. Okay, Nitro. We're gonna put a microphone on you, okay? So that they can hear you. You ready? Say hello.
Hello?
There you go, buddy. There's your microphone. Nitro, what are you opening today?
I don't know. The boxes!
We're opening the boxes. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what Lola Tatah got
Which
you.
one do you want to open first?
This.
Okay, that one.
That one first.
You open it, you open it. You help mommy. What is it? Come on.
No!
What is it?
Oh, look at that, Nitro.
Nitro, come on. Get them.
What's that? What's that?
Oh. Look at them.
Yummy!
What's this?
Shark?
Shark. Tuna.
What the? What's this?
Oh, go. It says Nitro.
Wow. Lagi sa KitKat!
For Uncle Nano, it says Yano Yano. But this one says Nitro. Can you open what's inside?
Yeah?
Can you open this and see what's inside?
What's that? Yeah, let's open.
Open it up. What's inside? Oh,
What's that? What are
big
these?
train track, Nitro.
Whoa!
Oh, you got.
Nakuha niya kay cereal. Labi niya cereal. Whoa! Nitro, look! Oh, look!
It's a train.
It's a big train, hey?
Train!
Yeah,
Boom,
you got a big
boom! Boom, boom,
Train
boom!
on the train track.
We have to put it in a train track. Remember, Lola Tatah gave me the BTS one!
It's the BTS
It's the BTS. If
sunglasses.
you wear it,
You wear
it's
it,
for
you'll be
you.
Jungkook.
But why? How did I get two of them?
Yeah, let's put it on. So, look at the camera so
Whoa,
Lola
look at
Tatah can
Daddy.
see you. Wow, so handsome!
Oh, the green one.
It's a dinosaur one
Yeah.
too.
Sunglasses.
Look at Daddy.
Daddy.
I like it.
Yes, you say thank you, Lola Tatah, over
Thank
there.
you, Lola Tatah. Let's open the next box.
Yes. Let's open it. Oh, come on, help mommy
Okay.
open it. Are you ready?
What's this? Okay.
Whoa!
Wow, nice.
It says Dwayne.
Whoa.
This one says Nanay Eden.
Oh, and a new shirt. Cool. Thank you, Lola Tatah.
Lahat ng damit ni Dwayne.
Is that?
Oh, it says Dwayne and Shanta.
Wow, what is that? I wonder. Open
This
the
one
box.
says Nanay Eden. Oh, this one says
Nitro.
Nitro. You hold it?
Mine.
Thank you, Lola Tatah. Happy birthday, Nitro.
Wow.
Oh.
See something inside.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, coins.
Yes, golden coins. It says, let's read what Lola Tatah said. Look, Lola Tatah has a letter for you. Shan, gi-divide na ko ang coin choco para maigo sa box. This, and she gave you this. Lots and lots. Oh, Nigel, look.
Oh, dinosaur.
No, it's a choco.
Halloween.
Oh, Jolly Rancher. Well, Lolly's Nitro, and this one is a chocolate. What's
Oh,
this?
M&M's.
So much chocolate.
Delicious.
Delicious. Wow.
Snickers.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
Let's
Oh my gosh.
open
my gosh.
next one.
Getting it now.
The
Here we
meat.
go, Nitro. Second lid's open. Let's cut this off.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, it's packed very tight with lots of different bags. Okay, here, I'm going to put it on the floor. Rick. It's a very heavy box.
Ah.
What's inside that?
Oh no.
Whoa, we we've got Calvin Klein boxer brief. Got Calvin Klein jocks, buddy.
Yum.
It says I love gummies.
You might eat
Peanuts shaped gummies. Ooh, you
Is
can eat
this
them
mine?
later. Yes, it's yours. Here you go, buddy.
Let me open it.
We'll look at what else is in here. Wow,
my
what
God,
is this? We got
what's
some
that?
more clothes.
Whoa.
Clothes for Daddy, is it, or Nitro?
No, for
Nitro, yeah. Oh, look, big bag of chocolate, Nitro. Whoa! Look at all those different chocolates inside.
Yeah.
You got Kit Kats.
Whoa! My sister!
What's that?
My sister!
Oh, you got scissors. Whoa, you can use your scissors. Woohoo! That's
You
pretty
got
cool, eh?
off my box.
Yes.
Paw Patrol!
Shirts. Paw Patrol. Oh, some more jocks for you. That's so cool. It says, Nitro, happy birthday. Oh, Walkers. The world's finest shortbread. Oh, you got some yummy bread sticks, huh? Oh, socks.
Dinosaur socks.
Dinosaurs for Nitro. Look at all these socks. Wow. Oh, Hershey's chocolates.
Wow, my
Bubble gum.
bubble
We
gum.
got bubble gum. Woo.
It blows my mouth and it goes pop and you can eat it.
Oh, does it really?
It's a yummy one.
Look, we got Snickers. That's for you.
Wow, my
Oh,
Snickers.
Yep. We got more gummies, Nitro.
More gummy.
Oh, big one. It's a heavy one, this one. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look how full that is.
And my glasses.
Wow, that's crazy, huh?
Ooh,
Wow.
Daddy,
What's that?
next.
Oh, yeah, cool, man. Yo, cool cats. What is it? Oh, it's like a squishy ball. You squeeze it.
Oh, yes.
It's a squishy ball.
Let me open it. Thank you.
It's a cool cat.
Look.
Oh, rainbow pencil case. Oh, you can pop it too. That's so cool. Got another squishy one, but it's a donut.
Donut.
And what do we got here?
What's this?
Oh, this is a game we can play, Nitro. It's the Jumbling Tower game. It's like 3. Whoa! Minions!
There's like 1,000 minions.
Some bubble gum?
Bubble gum.
Yeah.
Can you open this?
Please.
Yeah, I can open that one for you.
One names.
All right, I'm going to open this pencil case up for you, buddy.
One names.
There's your pencil case. Woohoo!
It's a bag.
Yeah, it's a pencil case, like a little bag. You put stuff in. You can put stuff inside.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
can play with it.
Yeah, you can play with it too.
I wanna close it. I wanna close it.
Oh, Nitro, look, you got some shoes. Nitro, Sesame Street shoes. Woohoo! What is that, Nitro? Whoa, that's a big ball full of... Oh, is it? It's a squishy ball. It's got stars inside it.
Yeah, but Daddy, you open it.
Yeah, we can open it. We'll open it later. Let's have a look at the other stuff first, eh? That's a big pack of Tootsie Rolls. Wow!
It's so heavy.
It's, what's that?
Santa Claus.
Yeah,
Santa
Santa
Claus.
Claus.
Santa.
Shoes, Nitro. Look
My
at that, your
shoes,
shoes.
menus.
Wow, we got Nike shoes. So siya lang batang ito. What is it?
Ooh.
Wow.
What's
This one, this one.
for me?
Look at your shoes, Nitro.
Daddy?
So
Let's
good.
play the. I wanna. Please, I want this.
Yes, we'll play with that later.
Open it.
More shoes for Nitro. Vans, oh. Social si Nitro, ha? Tata, what is this?
What's this?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Is that ice cream? Play-Doh.
Not ice cream, it's Play-Doh.
No, he said it's an ice cream Play-Doh. What is this, Nitro? Oh, wait. More shoes. More shoes. More Vans. More Vans for Nitro. I'm gonna make a vlog. Ani mo mga clothes and shoes. More clothes. That's gonna go in my vlog. More socks. More socks. So nice. Nitro, busy siya. Oh my gosh, Nitro. Another happy birthday one. Let's open it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. What's that? Look. Nitro, what's inside?
That's so much stuff, isn't it? They got lots of... Oh, it's really good.
Nitro, look at this!
My yummy yum.
Na-overwhelm niya.
What the?
It's a gummy Santa Claus.
Gummy Santa Claus.
I'm so happy. Oh, wow!
Oh.
Sarap! There's another one! It's never ending!
It says mine!
Yes, it
Yeah,
says
it says
it's yours.
yours.
Happy birthday, Nitro.
Thank
Ready?
you for that too.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow.
Oh no, more minions!
More minions.
Oh, and what's this?
A pop set. It's a,
Oh! It's a reindeer and Santa Claus. You can put the lollies inside and they pop out.
oh! And you eat it?
Yes, and you eat it. Put it down. This one, the squishy, is holding on to it too much. Ah, come on. Let's look. Whoa, do you remember this?
Yes?
You like it?
Snacks.
Yes.
Not.
There's so
I
many.
put
Look at
my
that.
easy on.
Oh my
We
gosh.
got lifetime supply of chocolate here.
Oh!
Wow, more Snickers.
hindi siya makarelate.
That?
Pero pag abri na, makakarelate na siya. Oh my gosh.
What's that one? Are you trying to get that one?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Watch with. It says me?
Yeah,
Yes,
it says,
Nitro. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, mommy.
Not me,
No,
Lola
it's
Tatah.
Lola Tatah. You say thank you, Lola
Thank you to
Tatah.
Lola Tatah.
Thank you, Lolo Tata.
Because I said, baby, he thinks nga ako
There
nagyaya.
you go, buddy.
Thank you.
What's this? This is for...
Nitro!
Oh, no, it's not
That's
for
for
you.
Daddy, that one.
No, maybe
Is
it's
it,
for
or is it
Yano. I think it's for
It's so
Yano.
small.
Maybe it's for Yano. It's
Oh,
small
okay.
for you, I think.
It's
Is it
small.
for you?
I don't know, 11, 12? That's
Yeah.
me.
It doesn't say though.
Yep.
Maybe
11
it's
and
yours.
Yeah. Cool. We've got some Adidas.
Social si Daddy.
Adidas na chinelas.
More clothes for Nitro!
Wow.
Wala
Lots
nang
of
lalagyan.
clothes.
Shh.
Minion.
More clothes for Nitro. Bshh. More clothes for... Wow, Old Navy. Social Nitro. Let's see.
Social mommy.
Social Nitro.
Social na baby.
Wow, socks. Oh!
For me?
Yes!
It's a Halloween and a cat.
Yes, a Halloween one. Ang ganda.
What?
Buksan natin yan sa channel ko. What's this?
I wanna-
Swimmers, Nitro, swimmers, swimmers.
Yeah, but I wanna open
Oh, look
the
at
next
this.
one. But
Oh, Nitro.
uh,
Merry Christmas.
What's that?
It's a beanie.
It's a beanie, buddy.
I'm not a happy birthday.
Look, there's more. Oh, what's this?
My happy
Bed covers for
birthday.
Nitro. It's a
Wow, we got
twin
bed covers. That's
twin sheet set.
cool. Very
It's
cool.
mine.
Yes, it's yours.
Yours,
Look,
isn't it?
it's
Yeah.
peanuts.
What? My peanuts?
He's so happy. Oh, what's this? May
It's
tuna.
mine. Is it
Yes.
mine?
Wow, yummy peach.
And
is
did this
peach,
says mine?
Yes, it says
Nitro,
happy
happy
birthday.
Happy
Let's open it.
birthday.
1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
go!
What is that?
What the?
What is this?
N- 9, 8, 7. What's
They're chippies.
Whoa.
They're crackers, but they're like fish. Oh, so yummy.
Wow, look at all your stuff. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hindi niya kasi kilala to, kaya hindi niya alam kung ano to.
Mamaya pagtikman mo.
Pag
I
tinikman niya,
was
wala na, hindi na
my
tayo bibigyan.
one.
Lahat.
You can't get me.
I know. You don't know this. Nitro, look at this.
My cookies.
Nitro, I think this last box will open on your birthday.
No.
Yeah, I think we'll open it on your birthday.
No.
Because look at all this stuff you have. We have so much stuff to play with and eat, all the minions and all the toys. And then this one we can open on your birthday, so you have more toys on your birthday. Yeah?
Yeah?
That means you have something to look forward to.
Why?
Because on your birthday it'll be even better.
Why?
Daddy will wrap up all the presents inside so you can unwrap the presents on your birthday. Yeah?
Ah.
Because look at all this stuff. It's so much. Whoa! Can't even see the couch anymore.
I bet you there are lots of chocolates inside. Bah.
Chocolates inside this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
I wanna eat minions.
All right, let's have some minions. Let's eat one. All right, buddy, let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside.
Yummy.
Oh. All right, ready, go. Cut.
Oh, there. It's open.
There it is. You did it.
Oh!
You did it. Now close the scissors. That's it. Put them down.
That's my sister.
Yeah,
That's
here,
my
thank you.
another sister. Gummy bear.
Yeah, gummy bear. You want to try it?
Minion.
Minion. It's a minion gummy. Yep.
I eat minion.
Yeah, the minion.
I like it.
You like it?
It's
Yeah.
yummy.
Yummy.
Thank
Hey.
you, Lola Tatah.
Can I
Alright guys,
eat
so babuksan namin yung isang box on his birthday. So, malapit na. Yung mga laruan na yan, galing din kay Lola Tatah. Hindi lahat, pero from Lola Tatah.
It's like 90% Lola Tatah.
Grabe, no? So maraming salamat, Ate Tata, Lola Tatah ni Nitro, Lola niya sa US. So salamat sa panonood guys, and kita-kita sa sunod na video natin. And kita-kita sa birthday ni Nitro when we open that last box for him, the biggest one yet. Wow! Alright guys, bye for now. Say bye Nitro.
Say bye, Nitro. Thank you, Lola Tatah.